What's happening? Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, it seems to be slowing down.
Okay, it's
Seems to be
slowing
slowing
down.
down.
That's
Oh, thank goodness that's over.
Where are we?
Oh. I'm not sure. Where
Seem
are
to
we?
have teleported through a vortex.
Yes, well, we're definitely in a strange place. And who are all these strange creatures?
I don't know.
And who's this?
Strange.
Ah,
What's he doing?
I can't understand anything. Do you think he's talking? I can't understand what he's saying. If only we had an intergalactic translator.
Wait, what's this? Translator.
Wow, that's handy. So what does he say?
Mr. Carrot, do you mind saying that again into the translator? He said, "Hi, I'm Mr. Intergalactic Carrot, and I'm here to guide you through your journey on the solar system.
Oh, interesting. And who knew there was intergalactic carrots?
You will have to do every experiment in this science box."
Oh, look. There's a science box and it's all space themed.
You have to do at least one experiment on every planet. You are on the moon currently, but this planet's only for unboxing. And these are all my friends.
Oh, right, okay.
Let them introduce themselves. Hi, I'm Intergalactic.
Intergalactic, okay. Who's this guy?
Hi, I'm Mr. Doge.
Mr. Doge, okay. And what about this one?
Hi, I'm Elefante.
Elefante, nice. And what about this little guy?
I'm tiny.
I'm tiny. Oh, I think you were. Oh no, it wasn't upside down. Okay, cool.
Hello, I am Roboticus.
Roboticus, nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Stretch.
Stretch. Well, you certainly are stretching. Well, thank goodness we found that intergalactic translator just lying around.
Yeah.
So let's just be clear. What did he say? We have to do one of these experiments on every planet.
Wait a minute, I have a present for you.
Okay. Oh, hooray! A squishy space pen. Excellent.
And a star pocket. Lovely.
Okay, well, so if we've got to do a science experiment on every planet, it's a good job we know that we've got the solar system, so we know what planets we've got.
And I think we can take this translator with us.
That I think we're going to need. So we better get unboxing then.
Yeah.
So we're currently on the moon, and we're unboxing on the moon.
Maybe you should let the
moon.
intergalactic carrot go.
Yeah. Thanks for your help, Intergalactic Carrot. I'm going to put you there. Okay, so science fans, conveniently, we have a space lab science kit. This one is from GALT.
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 GALT is the name of the company that makes it. And it's part of their Explore and Discover range. So this one was a present, actually, so we didn't buy it at all, which was good. So should we get unboxing?
We got a star share.
Oh, wow.
And look at all the stars in the solar system.
That's just proof that we are in space.
Yes.
Do you want to get unboxing?
Oh, sorry?
Should we get unboxing?
Yeah.
Crack on then. So, over to you, miss.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna
Do it. Tip it all out.
And,
And literally everywhere. And I shall put this back over here. And you tell me what we've got in the box.
We have a bottle,
Okay.
a red hat.
Oh, I think that might go on the bottle. Yeah, okay.
We've got a what looks like.
No, intergalactic pet has fallen over.
Oh well, she can stay there. What are they?
Oh well, this looks like lots of stars. You can see that. And I can tell, I think, from the material that they're made out of, that they might be glow-in-the-dark ones. So that could be good fun.
I'm going to pick up intergalactic.
Okay, probably a good idea.
Poor little guy. She fell over. She can take a nap.
Yeah, good idea. Okay, so what else have we got?
Okay, we've got these blue things.
Okay, I don't know what they are. But they look kind of interesting.
Blue things.
Okay, blue things. We need some blue things. Okay.
We've got this
Black thing.
a black thing.
A black thing to go with blue things. Okay, what else have we got?
We've got a bear.
Okay, you better tip that out as well.
Yeah. Whee.
Oh. Okay. Hang on, let me help you. Okay, let's get all of that out.
Okay, we've got straws.
Straws, funky straws with stars on, no less.
Yeah. We have an empty...
Oh, well, it's not empty, it's got a piece of plastic in it.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
We've got galaxy slime powder.
Oh, I bet that's going to be fun.
Oh,
Galaxy
yeah.
slime powder.
We've got small lenses.
Oh, okay. So there's a few different lenses in there. Like the lenses you get in your glasses. Okay, interesting.
We have some cardboard.
Okay. Let's put that,
Colourful
I'm going to put
cardboard.
that down next to you. Okay.
We have a space lab book.
Oh,
I think
right,
this is
okay.
for the experiment.
Do you think that's the instructions?
Yeah.
Okay, space lab book.
We have a lab notepad.
Oh, right, okay. Well, that's good because we can use our squishy Saturn pen to write in our lab notebook.
Wait,
Who
we
knew?
should probably say who it belongs to.
Okay. Ellie. And Doctor Laura. Nice. Okay, so now we know who that belongs to, so that's good. So what else? There's a lot in this box.
Let's proceed.
So what else have we got in here?
We have a map of all the stars up here.
Yeah, that's a constellation map. Oh, that'll be good fun. I like looking at constellations.
Ooh.
So that shows all of the different star patterns in the
Can I
sky.
have a look at it?
Well, maybe we should finish the unboxing first and then
Yeah.
have a look. Okay, what else have you got?
We have a star wheel
Okay,
from the Northern Hemisphere.
a star wheel. Right, I'm going to start putting stuff over here now because we're running out of space. What else have you got?
We have these stickers.
Are they stickers? Oh, nice. Oh, and they feel a bit rough. Like they might have glow in the dark. I think there might be quite a lot of glow in the dark stuff
Yeah,
with this kit.
definitely.
Okay, so again, I'm going to put those over there. I'm going to have to put them on
got-
top of the intergalactic translator.
More stickers. Wait, some are stickers and some are cardboard.
Okay, so
pop-outs.
we've got card pop-outs
and stickers.
and some more stickers. Okay, there's an awful lot in this box. I think we might be
Hey,
doing more
it's
than
super
one.
convenient. There are two professor stickers,
Hey, cool.
and there's two of us.
Oh, we might have to sort those out. Okay, and what else have we got?
Okay, we've got stuff.
Some more cardboard. I think maybe that goes with this cardboard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We've got whatever this is.
Alien Away Shadow Science. Okay, we'll find out. And what's this? Is this the last bit? Oh.
And we've got Leo the Lion and Pegasus the Flying Horse.
Okay, so let's just show the camera that. So we've got Leo the Lion and Pegasus the Flying Horse. And I think that's something to do with these.
Can I just see that for it? Pegasus is missing some of her body.
Ah, that's tricky. Not got any legs. Okay, so let's just find out a bit more about this box then, because there's an awful lot of stuff. So let's see. So it's got 22 glow stars with 46 glow connectors, 10 constellation straws, a rocket bottle, fins, nose cone and rubber stopper, which I think this must be the rubber stopper, galaxy slime powder, yeah, we saw that, 3 telescope lenses, 2 paper straws, some white tack for sticking things,
Yeah.
a split pin, a plastic sheet, an A3 constellation guide, printed card pieces, glow planet stickers, a sticker sheet, a notepad and a 24-page lab book. So there's an awful lot to do with that, and apparently it's got enough stuff in it for 12 fun experiments.
I think we should still do all of them, even though there's 8 planets, because the intergalactic carrot said at least one.
At least one, yeah. So maybe on the bigger planets we could do 2.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Well, science fans, that is the Space Lab box. As you can see, there's an awful lot for us to do. So we better get going on our mission.
Wait, hold on. I think in the intergalactic space carrot has something he wants to say.
Oh, really? Okay.
You're going to have to go through that wheezy portal again.
Oh, not again. It gave me a headache.
To the next planet. Oh, dear.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I can feel it coming. Oh, no. Oh,
take the intergalactic carrot with you.
The carrot's coming too. See you next time, science fans.
Bye.
Don't forget to
like
and subscribe.